I'm in the boiler house here at Crofton Beam Engines. The boiler house was built in 1809 and a unique feature of the boiler house is the Georgian lantern in the roof. It looks great from here, but there are some problems which I want to show you. Outside the problem is all too obvious. We can see the paint's peeling, exposing the woodwork to the weather, and so the wood's rotting. So this is a serious problem we need to deal with. Our volunteers do a great job in maintaining this Georgian building, but the repairs to our lantern are well beyond their scope, so we need to bring in a specialist team to carry out the work. For that reason, we're launching an appeal to restore the lantern to its former glory. You can help us by making a donation, large or small. Any amount would be much appreciated.